On November 28th, DJI, yes, that's the drone company, announced their brand new Osmo Pocket. And this is at the same time a major step up from their previous Osmo lineup and a major step down in regards to size. Hey there people, I'm Mr. Unbox and today we're going to unbox the Osmo Pocket. But first, let's see what DJI has to say about it.
Meet Osmo Pocket, a compact stabilized smart camera that was made to fit in every moment. Osmo Pocket puts the power of stable camera movement in the palm of your hand, allowing you to capture cinematic video anywhere, anytime. A compact 3-axis gimbal eliminates shake and jitter, giving you smooth video.
Of course, you're probably one of those people who have already seen all this, so let's just move on to the more exciting part. The Osmo Pocket is actually a lot smaller than I expected. Just looking at the box, it fits perfectly in the hand, and that is quite surprising to me. But let's open it up and see what's inside this box. We have this cardboard cover with the image on top, and inside a styrofoam box there's the Osmo itself and a hard plastic cover containing some stuff that we will take a look at later. Let's just have a look at the Osmo Pocket. It's a very nice little unit here. Feels really good in the hand. God, it's small. Here's the plastic cover. We can open it up and see what's inside. They have some cables here. We'll take a look at that later. And here's a lanyard that you can attach to the case, put around your wrist. And of course, the manual. Okay, let's see what kind of cables they have included with this. We have a USB cable and it is USB-C. Nicely done, DJI. So another thing we have here is, if we look at the Osmo Pocket, there's a small cover that we can peel off, and we have these small attachments included. There's one for USB-C and one for iPhone. And this allows you to attach it directly to your phone. This is my Galaxy Note 8. DJI has just released a new app for the Osmo Pocket. It's called Mimo, and with this you can set up face tracking, active track, time-lapse recording and so on. You can get it in Play Store or in Apple Store. The phone connector is easily detachable, and there's the small cover you can put on to protect it if you don't want to use the Osmo Pocket with your phone. This is what it looks like when you turn it on. As you could see, it was doing the DJI dance that we also know from the drones. And it is, all in all, a very nice, very small, and I hope very useful little gadget. The build quality is very nice, at least, and I think that it will be extremely popular, judging the footage we have already seen. As I shortly mentioned, the Osmo Pocket can actively recognize and track an object with a few taps from the app. There are also face tracking and time-lapse modes, FPV, selfie and panorama features built in. For quick production quality shots, there are a number of different shot modes, similar to the ones found on the DJI's Mavic drones. Story mode features 10 different presets, and Pro mode will give you a wide range of controls over the final shot. The gimbal does 3-axis stabilization to keep shots steady, while the camera can shoot 12 megapixel images and 4K video up to 60 frames per second. For slow motion video you can shoot 120 frames per second in 1080p. It will be interesting to see how robust the gimbal is. It's no secret that the first Mavic Pro had a lot of problems with the build quality of the gimbal. But DJI has greatly improved on that with the successors like the Spark and the Mavic 2 range. The Osmo Pocket has been available for pre-order through DJI and through selected retailers since the announcement on November 28th, and it will start shipping right about now. Don't forget to subscribe and to add notifications if you don't want to miss out on our next video. Until next time, stay frosty people, and see ya! Oh, and if you want a chance to win the DJI Osmo Pocket, head over to Patron Media, where Henrik is having a giveaway right now.
Let's go outside, stretch upon the grass before this